Today, I'm taking on the challenge of cracking the YouTube algorithm using AI. Let's see if I can skyrocket my views and engagement like never before. Artificial intelligence is changing the game for content creators, especially when it comes to hacking the YouTube algorithm. In today's video, I'll show you how AI can help you boost your views, increase engagement, and finally take your channel to the next level. We've all been there, putting tons of effort into creating high-quality videos, but somehow, they just don't get the traction they deserve. You hit that upload button only to see your content fall into the abyss with low views and minimal engagement. It's frustrating. You start questioning your strategy, your content, and even your potential as a creator. You might even feel like your niche is too competitive to break through. The truth is, cracking the YouTube algorithm is tough. Despite trying every trick, optimized titles, eye-catching thumbnails, clickbait, it's still hard to be seen. But here's the good news. AI can help. By using the right AI tools, you can optimize your content to not only get noticed, but to resonate with your audience and keep them engaged. One of the best tools available is Lumen 5, an AI-powered video creation platform. It helps turn your existing content, whether it's blog posts, articles, or podcasts, into stunning, engaging videos tailored for YouTube. The AI picks out the most impactful sections of your content and turns them into videos that captivate your viewers. Then there's TubeBuddy, a browser extension that uses AI to analyze your YouTube videos, providing real-time recommendations to increase views and engagement. With TubeBuddy, you'll get data-driven suggestions on optimizing your titles, tags, descriptions, and even when to upload your videos for maximum impact. Here's the real game changer, the AI content loop. This strategy uses AI to create a continuous flow of high-quality content that's always optimized for visibility and engagement. Here's how it works. AI analyzes your top-performing videos, identifies the most engaging parts, and helps you create new content based on that. The loop keeps going, amplifying your message and boosting your channel's authority. The best part? Once you set it up, the AI does most of the heavy lifting. Creators who've used the AI content loop have seen their views and engagement skyrocket by up to 500%. Imagine that! AI tools and strategies can revolutionize the way you approach YouTube. From video creation to content optimization, these AI-driven methods help boost your visibility and drive higher engagement, transforming how your channel performs. Are you ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level using AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and share your experiences with AI-powered tools. And if you're looking for more YouTube growth tips, don't forget to check out my other videos and hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.